Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Makawao local and long distance movers near me. Makawao local movers, such as 3 Movers, have a team that is skilled in carrying out these. They will ensure a seamless moving of your belongings without damaging them. 3 Movers has been in a service for the residents of Makawao for several years and have accrued the necessary expertise to handle relocation promptly. They also save you from being stuck in rush hour traffic by taking routes that are traffic-free. They know the terrain of Makawao and can guarantee relocation within a shorter time frame than the average mover. Makawao's long-distance movers handle lengthy relocations for those coming into Makawao from other cities or states. 3 Movers' efficient system has led to a hassle-free relocation for residents and those moving here for years. One benefit of partnering with 3 Movers is your relocation is the ease of movement. Your belongings moved by the sufficient company is protected against damage by their insurance policy. Long-distance moving is billed by price quote after an estimate of the distance of your move and the belongings you are carrying along is ascertained. 3 Movers team are experts in car shipping. They will ensure that your automobiles are conveyed to your destination without any hitches across Hawaii. If you want an efficient long-distance team to collaborate with you for your move, don't hesitate to contact 3 Movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Makawao moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.